I think there's not just one thing about Singapore that I love. I really appreciate the weather. Another thing I love is food and the food culture. My wife and I, we love to go to the hawker centers. ADM has had a long history in Singapore. As we built out our global platform in human nutrition, we needed an innovation center in Southeast Asia to serve our customers. First, I think it's the government's strong support to innovation. I think number two for me is just the general workforce. There's a very highly skilled workforce here in Singapore. Compass is an important framework. It shows Singapore's commitment to having a highly skilled and diversified workforce. And for an employer like ADM, that's exceptionally important. Singapore is very well geographically located. From ADM as a food company, 60% of the world's population lives here in Asia. So it's a very important location for us. Singapore has been able already to attract a lot of new startup companies in the area of food innovation. The customer base was already here. ScaleUp Bio is a JV between ADM and Temasek Nurasa. The JV is around precision fermentation. It creates an innovative platform for new innovation in foods. It helps the world solve food insecurity by finding unique ways of manufacturing food. And I think those are great examples of ADM's commitment to Singapore. So when I think of business for good, I think about being a responsible employer, a responsible company. The Singapore government has set the 30 by 30 goal. The idea by 2030 that 30% of our food in Singapore will be produced locally. I think those are important goals. We set our first sustainability goal called 15 by 20, way before companies really were mainstream thinking about sustainability. It's not only about today, but our plans for 3 years, 5 years, and beyond.